Hello, this is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com, and this video is for Dominik in New Jersey, Top Gear. And these are two throttle bodies that are repaired and ready to be mailed out. Just wanted to show the bench test here. I'm not going to put them on the car or anything. This is good enough because I feel pretty confident that these units will be fine. And they have been on the bench for 3 days by now, I guess. A long time. Just because I had available bench, so might as well just to have them energized for that long. So if you look here and you see that my meter doesn't work, alright, well, it does now. So as you can see, these are about 100 degrees at hottest areas, 105 even. So as you can see, they've been working. This is a cold unit. It's hot now, so it's 81 degrees room temperature. That's another energized unit. As you can see, they read about the same, about 90 degrees. So they had been working quite a long time. So the activation, this is my activator, so it's just like keeps them moving. Now also it should be noted that on the bench test, throttles do not open fully. As you can see now, they only open about 2/3 of the way, which is normal. That's how it always is on the bench test. And yeah, so they cleaned off very well. The gaskets are still here. My throttles, I actually do reuse the gaskets. I don't put new ones. I do not use any silicone. I just put them on just the way they are, clean. So next time if I need to remove throttles, they will come out clean. No need to scrub and clean off surfaces on the intake manifold. And of course the readouts, let's take a look at the readout. I'm just gonna make this full screen. There we have it. So we see both units, left and right. Readouts are pretty close, which is totally fine. And obviously when you open them, then of course readings follow. Okay. So we can see 311, 39. Those readouts are not equal. That's normal. These are pretty much always equal. Reference voltages from potentiometers. That's how they're supposed to be. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the way they came out, and pretty much they're ready to go. So I'm basically gonna leave it at that. And I might actually make this linkage a little lighter, maybe not. I mean, these are older style. These are 93, 94, big bolt cases, and 5 bolts on the large cover. So they are tighter than 95 models. So that's this is pretty much normal to me. You can see I can go. Yeah, they open a little slower. That's the way it is on the bench. You can see all my other videos. You can see they work just exactly the same as they all should work. So this is basically it. This is where we're going to leave it at. And basically I'm gonna just pack them up and mail them back to a customer. So this is all for me. This is Victor at HistoriaMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.